Hi everyone, in this video we're unboxing the SUNLU AMS heater designed specifically for the Gen 1 Bambu Labs AMS. The packaging is very secure, ensuring everything arrives in perfect condition. Let's look at the details. First is the user manual. It's quite comprehensive and I definitely recommend checking it out for the specific installation steps. Next, we have a support card showcasing other products in the Sunlu lineup. Moving on, here is the power cable. A key feature of this AMS heater is that it uses its own dedicated power supply, allowing it to function completely independent of your 3D printer. Inside this accessory bag, we have all the mounting hardware. That is, 8 screws, 4 plastic mounting clips, and a very handy extra long Allen wrench. Finally, here is the heater unit itself. This device is designed to replace the original cover on your Gen 1 Bambu Labs AMS, adding active drying functionality. This is a huge benefit for moisture-sensitive filaments and leads to significantly higher print quality. Plus, it allows you to dry your filament before or even during the printing process. Overall, the device looks great and feels very well constructed. This is just a quick unboxing and first look. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!